The Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than just a car, it is the embodiment of luxury, an icon of prestige, and a statement of unparalleled craftsmanship. In a grand showroom where every detail exudes elegance, the Phantom stands as a masterpiece, commanding attention without effort. The soft glow of ambient lighting highlights its flawless contours, while the polished marble floors reflect its presence, creating an atmosphere of sophistication. The illuminated display on the wall proudly bears its name, a reminder that this is not just a vehicle but a legacy of excellence. Every Rolls-Royce Phantom is crafted with meticulous precision, ensuring that each one is unique, a work of art built to redefine what luxury means. The presence of the Phantom is undeniable. Its stately proportions, long wheelbase, and commanding stance make it instantly recognizable. The Pantheon grille, a hallmark of Rolls-Royce, stands proudly at the front, polished to perfection and crowned by the spirit of ecstasy, a symbol of grace and power. The paintwork, perfected through layers of expert craftsmanship, gleams under the showroom lights, reflecting its surroundings with a mirror-like finish. Every line, every surface is sculpted with purpose, designed to create a presence that is both understated and extraordinary. This is a car that does not seek attention, it commands it with effortless sophistication. Opening the iconic coach doors reveals an interior unlike any other. The moment one steps inside, the world outside fades away, replaced by an atmosphere of serenity and refinement. The finest leather, hand-stitched and carefully selected, envelopes the seats, offering an experience of supreme comfort. Wood veneers, sourced from the most exclusive trees, are polished to a perfect sheen, adding warmth and character to the cabin. The deep pile lambswool carpets beneath the feet provide a sensation of softness that enhances the feeling of luxury. Every material, every detail is chosen with care, ensuring that the Phantom's interior is not just elegant but truly exceptional. Above, the starlight headliner transforms the cabin into a celestial wonder. Tiny fiber optic lights, meticulously placed by hand, create the illusion of a night sky, adding an enchanting ambiance to the journey. The dashboard, a seamless blend of tradition and modern innovation, conceals advanced technology behind exquisite craftsmanship. The infotainment system remains hidden until needed, preserving the purity of the design while ensuring that every journey is as effortless as it is luxurious. Rolls-Royce understands that true elegance is found in the details, and in the Phantom, every element has been perfected to create an experience unlike any other. Powering the Phantom is a 6.75-liter V12 engine, an engineering marvel that delivers effortless performance. Acceleration is smooth and silent, with power delivered in a way that feels almost weightless. The advanced air suspension system ensures that every ride is as smooth as floating on air, absorbing imperfections in the road with ease. Whether navigating through a city or gliding along an open highway, the Phantom moves with a grace that defies its size, providing a driving experience that is unmatched. The near-silent cabin, insulated with advanced soundproofing materials, creates an environment where only the softest hum of the engine is heard, reinforcing the sensation of absolute tranquility. For those who prefer to be chauffeured, the rear seats of the Phantom offer an experience of ultimate indulgence. Designed for comfort beyond compare, they recline at the touch of a button, providing a space to relax, unwind, and enjoy the journey. Massage functions, personalized climate settings, and exquisite detailing elevate the experience, making every moment inside the Phantom one of absolute luxury. The signature rear-hinged coach doors allow for graceful entry and exit, closing effortlessly at the push of a button. Even the smallest details, such as the built-in umbrellas concealed within the doors, reflect the meticulous thought that goes into every Rolls-Royce, ensuring that nothing is left to chance. Technology is seamlessly integrated into the Phantom, enhancing the experience without disrupting its timeless design. Advanced driver assistance systems provide an extra layer of convenience and safety, while the intuitive controls ensure that everything is within easy reach. The suspension adapts in real time, scanning the road ahead to create the smoothest possible ride. The precision engineering and attention to detail ensure that the Phantom remains the most refined and effortless driving experience available. It is not just about performance, it is about creating a journey that feels as exceptional as the destination itself. Customization is at the heart of the Rolls-Royce experience, allowing each Phantom to be a true reflection of its owner. Through the Rolls-Royce Bespoke program, the possibilities are endless. From exclusive color choices to personalized embroidery and custom materials, every Phantom is tailored to the individual. Whether it is a hand-painted coachline, a unique veneer inlay, or a personalized monogram, each detail is crafted with the utmost care to create a car that is one of a kind. No two Phantoms are ever the same, ensuring that every owner possesses something truly special, a vehicle that is not just owned but cherished. Standing in the showroom, the Phantom is more than just a display of automotive excellence, it is a vision of what is possible when perfection is the only standard. The illuminated name on the wall serves as a reminder of its legacy, a history built on innovation, craftsmanship, and an unwavering pursuit of excellence. Those who admire it understand that this is not simply about luxury, it is about an experience, a way of life defined by elegance, sophistication, and an appreciation for the extraordinary. The Rolls-Royce Phantom does not follow trends, it sets them. It does not compete, it stands alone. It is not just a car, it is a legacy that will endure for generations. Owning a Phantom is more than just acquiring a vehicle, it is embracing a lifestyle where compromise does not exist. It is about surrounding oneself with the finest materials, the most advanced engineering, and the most exquisite craftsmanship. It is about traveling in a manner that is effortless, serene, and distinguished. The Phantom represents the pinnacle of luxury, a statement that speaks of success, refinement, and an appreciation for the very best that life has to offer. Every journey in the Phantom is more than just transportation, it is a moment of pure indulgence, a reminder that true luxury is not about excess but about perfection. As it stands in the showroom, its polished surfaces reflecting the grandeur of its surroundings, the Rolls-Royce Phantom remains the ultimate expression of automotive artistry. It is a vehicle for those who demand nothing but the best, for those who understand that true luxury is not about what is seen but what is felt. The Phantom is a masterpiece, a work of art that transcends time, a symbol of what it means to live without limits. This is Rolls-Royce. This is Phantom.